Hi all, this is Jelle from Velv'Or again. Frequently I get the question, Jelle, are your 3D printed CRings, are they flexible or are they rigid? Well, they are actually rigid. You're not able to bend them. Then the question is, why are they as rigid as they are? Well, the thing is that you have the perineum, of course, let's say if it sits like this, the thumb is the penis, and the perineum part is down here. It needs to get firm pressure on there because it's a part of the male body that extends when the penis is erect. There's a lot of blood in there, so if you put pressure on it and you push the gynaja or the gynata, for instance, firmly backwards, it actually pushes the part that is more to the back to the front. And by doing that, it actually pushes more blood into the penis. So your erect penis will look more firm, more solid, as when you don't wear it. Even when you wear it just during the day, it actually does the same. If you wear it nicely down deep, it pushes your package to the front. So you feel more man. Your masculinity is different, and you see a bump in your pants as well, which you wouldn't see if you don't wear, let's say, the gynaja. I hope I helped you out now with this question about are they rigid or not, or flexible. So the answer is they are rigid, not flexible. That's why, because they need to give firm pressure on the perineum. And even though they're rigid, a lot of guys say, well, they're rigid. I've worn some rigid straight O-rings, they're not comfortable. These ones, because of the ergonomic shape, they are for sure comfortable. So I say try it out, let me know what you think. And if you have any other questions, just let me know in a comment here, or go to the world of Velv'Or, and there's a button called for the frequently asked questions. Ask your questions and I will put them in the vlog as well. See you next time.